covered. And as you can see what it's doing, all the soap is running down, which is grabbing the dirt and taking it down with it. So now I'm going to grab my pad and help loosen up some of the dirt. Always make sure that you have a clean mat. Make sure there's nothing in it that'll scratch your car. And we're going to start at the top here. We're going to go just down like that. Like I said, this is just to help loosen up some of the dirt. Even though it is a foam cleaner, you still want to kind of get in here and easily loosen up the dirt. Alright, while I finish this, we'll be right back with rinsing.